Yes, yeah, yeah. Israel just now is. I was there. I was there a month ago. I was there 2 weeks ago for a month. And it's the restaurants are full. Israelis get on with life as normal. They don't get phased, which is amazing. But I'm a bit of a chicken. Everybody everywhere else is a little bit of a chicken. But in everywhere else apart from Israel they get a licking. In Israel they ain't so afraid of nothing. No, they're gonna give you a real good stuffing. Don't mess with them, you'll be a chicken.